Stuff under the table.
Now you made me sweat. They're not so seeing.
Table 14. Wherever that is. No, I can't because I need to take my time. Oh. That's 15, 16.
The table is immaculate. Beautiful.
She's doing great. She's doing good.
I guess but this is how you set a table. So we're here for the Women of Inspiration. It's just so beautiful.
What's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa? I'm going to come and shake your hand, Lisa. There you go.
Guys,
on that board and Krista's a grad at Washington. So I kind of know how she got into this. How did you two get into this?
Tess has amazing stories.
you used to work with youth.
Do you miss that or were you?
I need some coffee.
These men got their food.
I need more coffee. I'm gonna fall asleep. No, you're not. You're fine.
Thank you, sir.
Well, everything looks amazing. We're just waiting on the little boy's plate. Why does he have coffee? Unreal.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool.
Alright guys, it is dessert time.
Yes.
Let's do it. Feel me? It's dessert time. Why are you zooming on my mouth?
I didn't zoom in.
It's yummy. It's yummy.
All right, here, how many of the money? Anybody, let's go. How come y'all are so tall? Where y'all from? 3750. And 3750, now 50, 3750. I'm right over here. And 3750. And 50, I'm with where you guys are. And 3750. 36? Thank you, now 37. And 7 and 7 times 7. Don't be shaking your head that way, man. And 7 times 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 times 7. And 37 times 7 equals 2, 4, 2, 1 times 2, 2, 2. Really? We're looking at $4,700 value. 2,000. 2,002. Now 2,250. Now 2,250. Now 2,500. And now 25. You're out. 25,750. And 700 and a half and a half. And again, 2,750. Now 50. Now 3,000. And 3, now 3, now 3, 1, now 3.
A child can heal. And we're already seeing that in CACs. We've been around long enough now that some of the kids that have come from our center, they're adults now, and we get to see the victory of healing in those children.
I realized that, it wasn't just me. I wasn't the only person that was
I also want to thank Governor and Susan Hutchison. They have been fabulous in promoting this cause. Their energy, their dedication has been
So I was invited to this event by a very dear friend, and I really appreciate her opening the door and just giving us an opportunity to be at something like this, because it gives me the chance to teach and show my son that we always deserve a seat at the table no matter where it is, and that we come with class and we come with style, and that we can learn new things, that we can be inspired, we can know what's going on in the state of Arkansas, even if it's across party lines. We do have a seat at the table and we're worthy. And so I'm just thankful that we were able to do this and be a part of it in support of the Children's Advocacy Centers to help abused children.
I'm just living downstairs.
All right. And we're off.
They got a whole attitude.
Thank you so much. Have a great night. Watch your step. It's gorgeous. Watch your step. For me, it's all about exposure and grooming him and helping him to develop into the young man that I foresee him to be in this society. He is the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, peace, abundance, blessings.